Good morning, children. Today we are going to do question answers. Answer the following questions of the poem A Watering Rhyme. Answer the following question. What is the best time to water the plants? What is the best time to water the plants? In the poem we had learned, remember? याद है ना सबको? Yes. What is the best time? Come on, who will tell me? The best time, answer 1, the best time to water the plant is early morning or evening hours. बेस्ट टाइम कौन सा है वो प्लांट्स को वाटर करने में? अर्ली मॉर्निंग, जल्द सुबह में, या फिर शाम के टाइम पे, और इवनिंग टाइम्स. क्वेश्चन 2, व्हेन शुड वी नॉट वाटर द प्लांट्स? कभी हमें पानी नहीं देना चाहिए प्लांट्स को. Answer 2, we should not water the plants at noonday. कभी पानी नहीं देना चाहिए प्लांट्स को at noonday. Question 3, which part of the plant should be watered? Which part of the plant should be watered? It means which part of the plant we should give water. Answer 3, the roots of the plant should be watered. The roots of the plant should be watered. First we have to give the water to the roots. If we give water to the roots, the plant and the tree grows very well. Question 4, do you have a garden at home? Do you have a garden at home? I have a small garden at home. If you are having a small garden at home, you can say I have a small garden at home. Once again we will read, children. What is the best time to water the plants? The best time to water the plant is early morning or evening hours. When should we not water the plants? We should not water the plants at noonday. Which part of the plant should be watered? The roots of the plant should be watered. Do you have a garden at home? I have small garden at home. Question 5, name some flowers which grow in your garden or near your house. Now this is an open question. Here it is asked you have to give some name of the flowers which grow near your house or in your garden. So what we are going to do? Answer 5, marigold, rose, dahlia and jasmine. What are the name of the flowers which grow near our garden? So it is marigold, dahlia, rose and jasmine. Question 6, give another word for thirsty feet. So another word for thirsty feet is roots. Question 7, what happens when we water the plants in the morning? Now here two options are given. What happens when we water the plants in the morning? They will grow well. A, B, they will dry up. Means if you water the plants in the morning, वो लोग बढ़ेंगे, they will grow well, या they will dry up. Means they will not get sufficient water. So what is the answer over here? They will grow well. What is the answer over here? They will grow well. So A is the correct answer. 8 number. From where do flowers get water? From where do flowers get water? From the bottom roots, from the top leaves. So what is the correct answer? From the bottom roots. From the bottom roots. Once again we will read, children. Name some flowers which grow in your garden or near your house. Marigold, rose, dahlia and jasmine. Give another word for thirsty feet. I have given roots over here. If you feel another better name for thirsty feet, you can surely write. What happens when we water the plants in the morning? What happens? What is the reason to give water to the plants in the morning? What is the main reason? So they will grow up or they will dry up. What happens if you give the water the plants in the morning? So answer is they will grow up. they will grow well. From where do flowers get water? From the bottom roots or from the top, that is the leaves. Flowers also get water, right? So how do the water reach the flower? The question is. So what will you do? Say the answer. From the bottom, that is from the roots the flower gets the water. Yes. Now over here what we have to do? Pick out the silent letters from these words. What you have to do? What you have to select? You have to select the silent letters from these words. Which words is silent for you? Which word pronunciation is not been heard? The word is there, but the pronunciation of that word gets side up, that becomes silent. Anucharit akshar, that is silent letters. So we will do over here HOUR, our, HOUR, ours. So H is silent over here. So H is written over here silent, right? Then KNIT, knit. K is silent over here because when we pronounce it as knit. K pronunciation has not been heard. So K is silent over here. Then doubt. So DOUBT. B is silent over here. We don't say doubt, right? So it is doubt. So B is silent over here. Often. So T is silent. OFTEN, in this T is silent. KNOW, no. K is silent. NIGHT, night. So G and H is silent. COULD, could. L is silent. KNIFE, knife. K is silent. HIGH, high. So high ka H we can hear, but over here GH is silent. Only high we say. HI we hear. G and H we cannot hear. So GH is silent over here. WRITE, right. So over here W silent because the pronunciation is right. Right. Walk. WALK, walk. L is silent. WRONG, wrong. Here W is silent. Right, we say wrong. R we hear it. So once again we will say the silent letters. R, what do we say? R, need. R, need. Doubt. Often. No. Night. Could. Knife. High. Right. Walk. Wrong. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise. You have to complete this exercise in your English notebook. You have to write in your English notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.